Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mundaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across a VPN error that the connections failed due to unsuccessful domain name resolutions. So this typically has to do of a DNS related issue. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then sinik mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. So ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung NETSH wensap reset. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na NETSH wensap reset, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na successfully reset the wensap catalog. So ang next step dito ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So close lang natin. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So if the problem still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step ay dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-click tong arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung category, so click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. Okay, so click lang natin yan. And then next, dito sa network and sharing center, so kailangan lang natin itong i-click, so click lang natin yan. And then dito sa network and sharing centers, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung ating connections. Okay? So ito yung ating connections, so kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then pop up itong kanyang status. So ang next step dito sa general, and then dito lang sa baba, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung properties, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa kanyang properties, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Internet Protocol versions for TCP/IPv4. So dito sa connections, i-select mo lang itong Internet Protocol versions 4. And then next step ay mo lang i-click dito yung properties. And then pop up itong kanyang Internet Protocol versions 4 properties. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung obtain an IP address automatically. And then dito naman sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung obtain DNS server address automatically. And then next step ay click mo lang dito yung OK. And then close lang natin dito. So if the error still persists, and the final solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung network reset, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then madadirect tayo dito sa network reset settings. So this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So makikita mo dito yung network reset, and then dito sa right side, click mo lang dito yung reset now. And then pop up itong network reset now. So are you sure you want to reset your network settings? And then click mo lang dito yung yes. So click mo lang itong yes. And then next step ay close lang natin. Dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix VPN connections failed due to unsuccessful domain name resolutions. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.